this beautiful handwriting analysis club. Myself, Dr. Bharataviji, an academician and graphologist from Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. This handwriting analysis club is very much essential for all type of people to understand about yourself and your character traits and certain diseases within yourself. So let's begin. Yeah. Handwriting analysis is nothing but graphology. So the word graphology comes from grapho and logy. What is grapho? Grapho is writing. Logy is with in action. You are in action. Your writing is in action. So it is an art science used to interpret character, personality, and certain diseases with your handwriting. Fine? It's interesting? Yes, let's move further. Handwriting is silent but expressive. So it reflects moods of your character, of your behavior at that instant point of time. Also, one can read the thought of the person at the time of writing. Fine? So handwriting, we call it as sometimes brain writing. Not sometimes, every time we call it as brain writing. So we can identify the behavior of the person which has certain changes in yourself. One day you will be good, happy, enjoying. Another day you will be sad, you will be depressed. So you can only able to identify your emotions with your handwriting. So if you are liking this video, please subscribe to my new channel, Handwriting Analysis Club. The description is below mentioned. Okay, let us move further. So let us go with the deeper aspects of graphology. So our subconscious mind is represented in black and white, showing the thought process, attitude, and three aspects of our life. Yeah, major aspects of our life is mainly is health. Second is health. Third is relationships. So everything can be able to identify with your handwriting. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರೈಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಗುರುತಿಡಿಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು. That is the speciality of graphology or handwriting analysis. Next, coming to second important point is it provides more than 60 traits. That is your inner negativity or positivity can be identified with your handwriting. The next person himself may be aware of his own positive or negative personality. That is what I mean. Second important thing which I want to tell you is it is your mind. What is your mind, subconscious mind is going to think is directly connected to your hands, especially this finger. Especially these three fingers plays a vital role. Thumb finger, forefinger, middle finger. There only you will hold the pen. Okay? So it has a direct connection from your subconscious mind to your hand. So it won't lie to you. You can lie to someone by mouth, but through hand it is never possible to lie. Okay? Next. So who is the creator of this graphology? So it is none other than our from Garuda Purana we call it as the most creator of graphology is none other than Vichitragupta. He is nothing but the one of the creator by Brahma who is going to write our deeds when we start giving the birth. That is, woman is going to give the birth. So he is going to land on this beautiful world. So at that point of time, from that point of time till your death, what all deeds you are doing. everything is recorded by Chitragupta. So in his book called Akashic Records. Okay. So our karmas, everything is going to be written, present karma. So previous karma, the previous record book is there, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3 like that. So in this, now we are in which volume, don't know as per the Chitragupta. So everything is recorded. So Chitra means picture, Gupta means hidden, hidden things. So Chitragupta means hidden meaning in pictures. So everywhere, any description in ancient times is represented in pictures. Please observe carefully. I am a follower of Praveen Mohan um, archaeologic videos. There also he has explained beautifully that every ancient architecture are represented with carvings, pictures. So pictures will give you everything. So I have to thank all those carving people who have done at those point of time, that is ancient times, are really fantastic. Okay, so if you are more interested towards it, please follow Praveen Mohan. So pictures represents the lines, curves, or hidden meaning. That is the science of graphology. So if you are liking this video, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button for more videos. Now I am dedicated to provide you 90 days videos on this graphology course and give the description of entire graphology, what it means, what the alphabet means, everything. So daily video of 5 minutes will give you, it inspires you and provides you certain information to know about yourself more. So history of graphology, so it starts from, as I said, Chitragupta. Later on, it has been taken care by 120 AD, that is Suetonius. So he has done the graphological personality analysis of a Roman Empire, Octavius Augustus. So he is very, very expressive and aggressive. So he said you are very aggressive by looking into your handwriting, and you will face certain conflicts in certain empire fights. So like that only it has happened. So in 11th century, Q Zhou, a Chinese philosopher, revealed the handwriting is written by a noble person, okay, or peasant person, not a unrealistic person or some sort of person. Okay, in 1622, a main person came into picture who has gone into deep with graphology is nothing but Camillo Baldo. So it is an Italian professor. He is the founder of a school of graphology and published a detailed work on handwriting analysis. So in modern graphology, he is called as the originator of graphology. So in 1880, so A.J.H. Mycon is the father of graphology, who has taught graphology to several students in his time. So in 1900s, Krupa Examine explains graphology, provides individual information with respect to character, unconscious process of your mind, and personality. So 1950, Ludwig founded Gestalt method. There are two types of methods. One is Gestalt method, second one is straight methods. The Gestalt method is found by Ludwig Klages. We will go more into those methods in coming videos. Okay. Before getting into graphology, let us understand our chakra system, because it is very much important to know the chakra system of our body, how much it is activated, how much percentage it is inactivated, and what are the causes of inactivation of chakra system to our health, hormones, and etc. So there are two aspects in graphology. One is physiology, and another one is psychology. So physiology is nothing but the science of life, that is cell to the whole body. We are going to deep. Psychology is nothing but the study of human mind and the behavior, how we are going to behave. So deals with reading person mental state as well as desire of the person. Very much important. So there are two kinds of hormones in our body which is going to react oftenly. One is good hormones, another one is bad hormones. So in a very precise way, not in a deeper aspect, in a very much precise way, I am going to explain few hormones. So one is dopamine, it is for pleasure and satisfaction. Oxytocin, it is for romantic life or emotions, love during sex. Uh, Very much important. Love during normal life, love during sex. Next, social life, how you are going to behave in your social life. Everything depends on oxytocin. Second one is serotonin. It is nothing but moods and feelings. Next is endorphins, which is very much important for especially students or an achiever, which is nothing but goals, targets, and it is also a pain reliever or a killer for self-healing techniques. Endorphins, very much important. The bad hormones is adrenaline, which is very much bad. It will go with acute pain, injuries, infection, chest pain, stomach pain, and skin disease. So next, cortisol, which is very much important nowadays. People are suffering like anything with cortisol hormone, which is nothing but blood sugar, stress, inflammation, diseases, and memory related issues. And norepinephrine, which is nothing but anxiety and restlessness, which is seen in most of the people who are aged above 45. They are very much anxiety and restlessness. They want to do, yes, I want to do. 6 o'clock is not happening. Then also 5:45 only they are telling 6 o'clock happened. We want to. I have to do this. I have to do that. So that is what the kind of hormones which is going to impact on the mind. Okay. So if you are liking this video, please once again subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button, and please comment so that even I can able to improve myself. And as I told earlier, I'm dedicated every day of 5 to 10 minutes video on graphology, which is going to inspire your mind and orals, which gives the knowledge of knowing about yourself. One of the ways of knowing about yourself is graphology. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button for more knowledge gaining. Connect to me through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. The links are going to be provided in the description. Thank you very much.